In a world where millions struggle to be seen, heard, and included, there are stories waiting to rise. Across Pakistan, individuals with disabilities face barriers every day, not because of their condition, but because of limited access, opportunity, and support. This is where change begins. Founded in 2016 in Karachi, Pakistan Independent Living Centre, known as PILC, was built on a simple belief. Every person deserves dignity. Every person deserves choice. Every person deserves a life of independence.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Sayyida Sabeen Suhaib. I am the Vice President of PILC, Pakistan Independent Living Centre. So, now I will tell you what independent living actually means. Mr. Javed Rais went abroad and for the first time he saw this term coming to life, what independent living is all about. It means living my life to the best of my abilities without the help of anybody else. And that's what we do here. Over here we believe that having fun is a really important thing. So we first have fun and then we decide that what you are good at, what you want to excel in. We do not just pressure you into studying what you don't want to do, what you don't like. We would encourage you to basically do and excel in what your interests are. For example, if you would want to play the tabla, if you're good at piano, if you're good at anything at all, we literally encourage that and we would want you to grow in that field. This is what independent living is all about. We do not rely on others to help us, we help each other. And the main thing that our organization focuses on, that there will be no talks about us without us.
Led by individuals who understand disability firsthand, PILC stands for empowerment, not sympathy. At its core is the philosophy of independent living, a belief that every individual has the right to make decisions, to live with dignity, and to participate fully in society. Here, disability does not define limitations. It reflects strength, resilience, and potential. Through a growing network of independent living centers across Pakistan, PILC provides practical support that changes lives. Peer counseling builds confidence and self-belief. Family counseling strengthens understanding and support systems. Independent living skills training helps individuals manage daily life with confidence. From mobility and communication to self-care and financial skills, each step brings greater independence.
I am Javed Rais, President, Pakistan Independent Living Center. मुझे गुज़िश्ता 30 से 35 साल हो गए पर्सन विद डिसेबल के राइट्स के लिए काम करते हुए, और अब अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह पाकिस्तान इंडिपेंडेंट लिविंग सेंटर जो एक नेटवर्क है इंडिपेंडेंट लिविंग का, उसका मैं प्रेसिडेंट हूँ। और इंडिपेंडेंट लिविंग सेंटर बेसिकली सर्विस प्रोवाइडर है, और वो पर्सन विद डिसेबल जिनकी डिसेबिलिटी 95 से 100% है, जो खुद से अपना नाक से मक्खी नहीं हटा सकते, अपना पानी नहीं पी सकते, अपने बाल कोम नहीं कर सकते, शावर नहीं ले सकते, कपड़े चेंज नहीं कर सकते, उनको हमारे अटेंडेंट होते हैं जो 24 घंटे उनको हम ये सर्विसेज देते हैं।
Personal attendant services support dignity in everyday living. Education and skill development open doors to employment and self-reliance. Each program responds to real needs. Each service creates real impact. Today, PILC reaches thousands of individuals every year, helping them move from isolation into active participation in society. Lives once limited by barriers are now driven by confidence and purpose. A young woman finds her voice. A man secures his first job. A family learns to support, not restrict. Through counseling, outreach, and community inclusion, PILC transforms dependency into independence. The journey continues. Inclusion demands effort. Awareness demands action. Support this movement. Stand for dignity. Promote inclusion. Together, a society grows where every individual lives with choice, confidence, and independence. This is not charity. This is empowerment. This is Pakistan Independent Living Centre.